Energy. We all crave it, that feeling of being fully alive and ready to tackle the day. It's that spark that makes us leap out of bed with a smile, eager to embrace whatever comes our way. Energy. It's the magic ingredient that fuels our work, our relationships, and our dreams. It's what keeps us going, pushing us to achieve our goals and enjoy every moment. Without it, we drag ourselves through the day, feeling sluggish and uninspired. Tasks that should be simple feel like climbing a mountain, and our motivation dwindles. But with it, we can achieve anything. When we're energized, we're unstoppable. We celebrate our successes with more joy, and even the smallest victories feel monumental. Think about the days you wake up feeling energized. You're ready to take on the world, and nothing seems impossible. Your morning routine flows smoothly, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. You're more productive, more creative, and more engaged with the world around you. Your mind is sharp, ideas come easily, and you're able to focus on your tasks with clarity. You smile more, laugh more, and experience life with a vibrancy that's contagious. Your positive energy spreads to those around you, creating a ripple effect of happiness and enthusiasm. But what about those days when your energy takes a nosedive? We've all been there. The days when you can barely keep your eyes open, and every task feels like a chore. You hit that afternoon slump, or you're dragging yourself out of bed after a restless night. It's hard to stay motivated, and your productivity plummets. Don't worry. In this fast-paced world, we need quick and effective ways to recharge and reclaim our energy. It's all about finding those little moments to reset and refuel. That's what we're going to explore. Simple, practical hacks that can give you an instant energy boost, anytime, anywhere. From quick stretches to mindful breathing, these tips will help you stay energized and ready to conquer your day. Feeling drained? It's a common experience, especially in our fast-paced world where we are constantly on the go. Reach for that water bottle. It might just be the simplest and most effective solution to your fatigue. Let's face it, we've all been there. Whether it's at work, school, or even at home, feeling drained can hit us at any time. You're feeling tired and sluggish, but you push through, hoping for a burst of energy that never seems to come. You might reach for a cup of coffee or an energy drink, but those are just temporary fixes. The solution might be simpler than you think. Water. Yes, plain old water can be a game changer. Dehydration is a major energy zapper. When your body lacks water, it can't function at its best. Even mild dehydration can leave you feeling tired and mentally foggy. It can affect your concentration, mood, and overall performance. Think of your body like a plant. Just as a plant needs water to thrive, so does your body. Without enough water, it wilts. Your body reacts similarly, showing signs of fatigue and lack of energy. The good news? Rehydrating is like giving your body a refreshing drink of energy. It's an instant pick-me-up. Keep a water bottle handy throughout the day and sip on it regularly. Make it a habit to drink water even before you feel thirsty. You'll be amazed at how much more energized you feel. Your body will thank you for it. Here's a tip. Add a squeeze of lemon. Not only does it add a burst of flavor, but it also provides a dose of vitamin C, or a few slices of cucumber. Cucumber adds a refreshing taste and is also hydrating. For a refreshing twist that will also encourage you to drink more. Experiment with different fruits and herbs to find your favorite combination. Staying hydrated has never been so enjoyable. Have you ever noticed how sitting for long periods makes you feel stiff and drained? Your body craves movement. It's how we're wired. Stretching is like a mini workout for your body and mind. It gets your blood flowing, loosens tight muscles, and releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that naturally boost your energy. No need for complicated yoga poses here. Simple stretches like reaching for your toes, rolling your shoulders, or twisting your torso can make a world of difference. Try this. Set a timer on your phone to remind you to stand up and stretch every hour. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Believe it or not, something as simple as changing the way you breathe can have a profound impact on your energy levels. When we're stressed or tired, we tend to take shallow breaths, which deprives our bodies of oxygen. Deep breathing, on the other hand, is like a breath of fresh air for your entire system. It calms your nervous system, increases oxygen flow, and helps clear your mind, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Here's a simple breathing exercise. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes if you'd like. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to expand. Hold for a count of 3, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat several times. When hunger pangs strike, our energy levels often plummet right along with them. But not all snacks are created equal. While sugary treats might provide a temporary energy spike, they often lead to an even bigger crash later on. So, opt for snacks that combine protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These nutrients work together to provide sustained energy that will keep you going strong throughout the day. Some great options include a handful of almonds or walnuts, a piece of fruit with nut butter, Greek yogurt with berries, or even a hard-boiled egg. Remember, eating small, frequent meals and snacks throughout the day can help keep your blood sugar levels stable and prevent those dreaded energy slumps. Have you ever noticed how being cooped up inside all day can make you feel tired and depleted? It's a common experience, especially for those who spend long hours working indoors or studying. The lack of natural light can leave you feeling sluggish and unmotivated. There's a reason for that. Sunlight is a natural energy booster. When you expose yourself to sunlight, your body responds positively. The sun's rays help your body produce vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones and a strong immune system. It helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle and boosts your mood by triggering the release of serotonin, a feel-good hormone. Serotonin not only enhances your mood, but also helps you feel calm and focused. This is why spending time in the sun can make you feel more alert and happy. Even a few minutes of sunshine can make a difference. Just stepping outside for a short period can refresh your mind and body. It's a simple yet effective way to recharge your batteries and improve your overall well-being. Step outside for a quick walk during your lunch break, or simply stand by a window and soak up some rays. Incorporating these small habits into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your energy levels and mood. If you live in a place with limited sunlight, especially during the winter months, it can be challenging to get enough natural light. The shorter days and overcast skies can make it difficult to feel energized and motivated. In such cases, you might want to consider using a light therapy lamp. These lamps are designed to mimic natural sunlight and can be a great alternative when the real thing isn't available. They can help regulate your sleep patterns and improve your mood, making it easier to get through those darker days. These lamps mimic natural sunlight and can help improve your energy levels and mood. By incorporating light therapy into your daily routine, you can experience the benefits of sunlight even when it's not shining outside. So, whether it's a sunny day or a cloudy one, remember to seek out the light and give yourself an instant lift. Never underestimate the power of music. Music has an incredible ability to influence our emotions and energy levels. Upbeat, high-energy music can be just what you need to boost your mood and motivation. Create a playlist of your favorite feel-good tunes and put it on whenever you need a pick-me-up. You'll find yourself tapping your feet, singing along, and feeling more energized in no time. Sometimes, the best way to restore your energy is to give in to your body's natural need for rest. A short power nap of 20 to 30 minutes can work wonders in fighting fatigue and improving alertness, focus, and cognitive performance. Find a quiet, comfortable spot, set an alarm, crucial to avoid grogginess, and allow yourself to drift off. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the rest of your day. We've explored a variety of simple yet powerful hacks that can provide an instant energy boost whenever you need it most. Remember, maintaining your energy levels is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. Listen to your body, experiment with these tips, and discover what works best for you. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can reclaim your energy, boost your productivity, and live each day to the fullest.